which is sweeping the eastern third of the nation is being committed by creatures who feast upon the flesh of their victims. The first eyewitness accounts of this grisly development came from people who were understandably frightened and almost incoherent. Officials and newsmen.
Dali mo ni papalap yan, kayong bang, yan ang gamitan. Baka maglukuin tayo ko.
However, reports persisted. Medical examinations of some of the victims bore out the fact that they had been partially devoured. I think we have some late word just arriving, and I'll interrupt to bring this to you. This is the latest disclosure in a report from National Civil Defense Headquarters in Washington. It has been established that persons who have recently died have been returning to life and committing acts of murder. Widespread investigation of reports from funeral homes, morgues, and hospitals has concluded that the unburied dead are coming back to life and seeking human victims.
Maybe your opinion is exactly what I need. Yeah, maybe you're always right. Under the impression I'm easily defeated, but I don't need you. So I wipe my tears, put them back in your face. Drop kick your face, look it back in your place. And say to me, oh wait, out of line. And you know you like to help me, but you're wasting your time. Cause I'm not broken, I don't need to be fixed. Your opinion, your snares are making me sick. And it's my life, leaves a bad taste in your mouth. Just spit it out, spit it out. I'm not broken, I don't need to be fixed. Your opinion, your snares are making me sick. My life leaves a bad taste in your mouth. Spit it out, spit it out. People like to think that they're pretty damn important. Yeah, people like thinking they're right. People like to tell me that I need a new direction, but I like what I do in my life. And don't back down if you know what you're doing is right. I told you not to push it, you're with something to bullshit, and I don't need your advice. Feel it in your stomach and you feel it in your heart, and you know what you're doing is right. I hope you never listen, and I hope you never get it, and I hope you never take their advice. And don't back down if you know what you're doing is right. I told you not to push it, you're with something to bullshit, and I don't need your advice. Maybe your opinion is exactly what I mean, yeah, maybe you're always right. Under the impression I'm easily defeated, but I don't need you. So I wipe my tears, put them back in your face. Drop kick your place, look it back in your place. The things say to me, oh wait, out of line. And I know you like to help me, but you're wasting your time. Cause I'm not broken, I don't need to be fixed. Your opinion, your snares are making me sick. My life is a bad taste in your mouth. Just spit it out, spit it out. I'm not broken, I don't need to be fixed. Your opinion, your snares are making me sick. My life is a bad taste in your mouth. Just spit it out, spit it out. I'm not broken, I don't need to be fixed. Your opinion, your snares are making me sick. My life is a bad taste in your mouth. Just spit it out, spit it out. I'm not broken, I don't need to be fixed. Your opinion, your snares are making me sick. And if my life is a bad taste in your mouth, just spit it out, spit it out.
Soak them with gasoline and burn them. They're just dead flesh and dangerous.
force me to go. No, I can't get my health back and now. No, I want my old life back and as you count your money stacking while I ice my broken back, ice my broken back, ice my fucking broken back. I rise from the grave when the dead start to walk, and I grab Zombie Dave and say, it's time to rock. We zombies are hungry, and we're gonna stalk. The robots are coming our way. We attack in a pack with razor sharp teeth, and we bite and we hack, but they don't taste like beef. Oil-thirsty zombies won't taste a beat, cause we're forever at war. Fighting and fighting and fighting and fighting and fighting and fighting, we fight. No one knows why. We'll be fighting until we die. No one knows why. We'll be fighting until we die. No one knows why. We'll be fighting until we die. No one knows why. We'll be fighting. We came from the year 2135 with our hard metal gear and our laser beam eyes. Power cells flowing, zombies won't be knowing. We'll take them undead or alive. We'll blow off their faces and rip off their limbs. And only 10 paces, their chance looks real slim. We're programmed to kill the zombies on sight, and we don't ask why. Fighting and fighting and fighting and fighting and fighting, we fight. No one knows why. We'll be fighting until we die. No one knows why. We'll be fighting until we die. No one knows why. We'll be fighting until we die.